Hey guys, it's me G123 here. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be playing with my cat plus Pitman, my friend Young Cat Gaming.
Hello. No, I am Cat. Yeah?
You can send me text messages from your iPad now, or you can FaceTime talk me as well.
Yeah.
He has things to do. He doesn't always.
Okay, so what? We're gonna both be prisoners.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm just gonna leave my cell.
Oh yeah, remember?
Why did they leave all the cells like wide open?
Remember when you were supposed to give me the 500 coins in the game?
I still don't have that much.
Wait, Dylan, wait there.
I think I see.
Wait. Do you know what I'm doing? I'll have to reset my character real quick. Do you know what I'm doing?
We need to get it. You know that?
Wait, do you have the penguin suit again?
I can. No, I'm not penguin.
Well, I'm gonna wear my penguin suit because I can. And
Okay.
guess what? There's a glitch with the penguin suit.
I got a weapon.
You did? Okay, let me come. I'm gonna come. Wait, where you are?
Wait, can I put on?
Wait, stay where you are.
I can't put that on. If you could actually put on a police outfit, that would be amazing. I don't actually have a key card, so I can't get out.
I do.
Oh, nice.
I'm escaping.
Cool. I'm trying to shoot someone. No.
Did you die?
No, I got arrested because this noob was shooting a police officer. The police officer thought it was me, didn't arrest the noob, walked right past him, and yeah.
I'm escaping! Yay! I'm on that truck.
Well, I'm stuck in a jail cell.
Oh,
I just walked through the bars. Oh my god.
you did? Did you literally?
I glitched. Yeah, I glitched.
Oh, wow. Wait, let me keep going. You know this is recording. I escaped with ease. Now I'm gonna go to the bank.
I got a key card. Run.
Dun.
The guy is trying to chase me. He'll never catch me.
There's this guy on a full bike.
Really?
No! Please stop. No, stop.
Go up. Someone took a helicopter.
Are you kidding me? No! I can't do anything.
What does it take for a helicopter to respawn in this place?
Are you kidding me? Stop it! No, I can't get anything. Stop it. I hate this guy. No. No.
Just ran straight past the cop.
I hate this game.
No, he
No.
tased me and arrested me, and I had a key card.
It's not fair because I don't know why they can take you out of your car.
That's just what the creator did.
I know, but it's not fun when they do that.
Well, then how else are they supposed to arrest you when you're in your car?
Well, it's not very fun when they do that.
Hold on.
I'm going on another server, guys, because that's just annoying. I left.
Okay.
I left the
Took me out and
server.
brought me back in the game.
I went into a different server because that last server I don't like because that guy has a
This
whole
server
fight.
only has 2 cops.
I know.
That is just sad. If I find one of them, I'm gonna pickpocket them since we really need a key card.
This is a full server anyway, so.
Someone already. Someone for me.
I escaped. Oh hi, I found one of the police.
Punch. Please punch. There we go, punch. Punch, 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 punch. Excuse me, sir. Do you know the way?
I just escaped
Do
a
you
cop.
know the way?
I just stole this cop's key card. And I escaped because my penguin suit lets me go super fast. Because it's a glitch. I just escaped with ease. Woohoo! I'm gonna rob the gas station.
I really need a key card.
The police aren't even very good.
No, I can tell. Oh, hi.
Oh, where are you? Oh, here's a Simo. I'm robbing him. The guy said team. I teamed him, and then when I robbed him, when I took his key card, he thought we were teaming, so I took his key card.
That's what just happened.
What?
That's what just happened to me. This guy, this noob, asked to
The guy
team.
outside the thing.
Yeah, the guy running around outside the prison asked to team. I say okay, steal his key card, walk away. To the police station, I need to get myself a helicopter.
I'm already going there right now.
I am a good driver.
People keep sending me friend requests. I bet this guy knows who I am, because I'm a YouTuber.
A bunch of people probably think you actually have a Dominus, so they want to be friends.
Probably, but I don't. I don't even have the Dominus on. I'm gonna go rob the bank. Here it is.
Hey, I'm at the city.
Darn it. I wish I had a car.
I have a car. I'm at the criminal base.
You are?
Uh,
Okay, I'm coming. Oh, maybe we should do another hide and seek video sometime. That would be pretty good. Because remember this time, I'll tell you some hiding spots. They're good. But you probably can't use them. Where are you? I'm coming. Somebody started a robbery.
I'm just getting a few things.
I know, I'm just coming over
Change
there.
out of that prison jumpsuit. Okay, I'm back to normal.
Wait, Dylan, where are you?
I'm in this blue car.
Oh, I'm coming. Hi. Wait, no, you locked it.
There, please.
Oh.
Yay. Go.
Wanna go?
Actually, no. I'm gonna go on this car. You go. We should go to the thing and get a helicopter, and then we should go on the train because they fixed it. So now,
Oh, they did?
yeah. So now, but there's a glitch where if you go on top of one of the things with the money in it, you can just stand on top of it and it gives you the money.
Oh.
You have to go to the bank.
It says if you press V, your car should flip, but it doesn't work. I accidentally flipped my car and
Okay, I'm coming back. I'm here. Do you see me? You see me?
yeah.
I'm here. I have way more
Let
money.
me in. Let me in. Let me in. Okay, I'm in. Okay.
Let's go. Let's go to the bank. They'll never know we're at the bank. No. Yeah. No. What?
Your car is upside down too.
No. Why did it just kick us out of the bank? Are you kidding me? I wanted to rob the bank.
Well, that was a fail.
Bye. Do you see me
What
going
are
down
you
the road?
doing?
Jerry, I'm an enigma. Don't blame me.
There's a cop coming.
There is? Good thing I left there. Is he gonna...
Save me. How do you slide?
I have the penguin suit.
Okay, so what does that mean?
It's a glitch. The penguin suit.
Oh,
If you use it, you go slip
there it is.
and...
There's the police station.
I'm gonna get there first.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the helicopter. Well, actually, we're sharing it.
Dibs on driving.
But I dibs on getting it. So...
Okay, but I'm driving. Hey!
Bye.
Can you come back? I need to get in.
No! There's a police right there. Okay, you're getting in, but I'm driving it.
But I have dibs on driving though.
But I have dibs on the thing. Because I got it. The guy just robbed a jewelry store. I wish we could have joined the robbery. Don't worry, this guy's safe. If he has the red thing, then he's safe. Come on, is this thing open? Is the bank open yet?
Why would a bank be open? Imagine we go in, just everything's open, if we just walk straight into the bank vault. Those are good. Those are criminals down there.
I know.
For us, they are good people.
They're waiting.
Another criminal is here. And another one. This is criminal party.
They're trying to get
More.
in. There's a bacon here. No, there's a cop right there.
Where?
In the car, look. See the rainbow one? But I think this is a nice
Oh. Yeah, that's the guy who left the team with me.
one. Okay. I'm gonna turn off my volume because that is copy. Please no copyright strike.
Of course, that's what you asked for.
Okay. So we are here. We're just waiting. Look at your nose, brother.